HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hey kids, how are you today? Oh, let's do the laundry! We're going to draw a washing line, which is a curvy line with some gaps left to hang our clothes, with our pegs of course. We're doing a t-shirt with a star on it. How about a sock? What should we do next? Oh, another sock, of course. Socks come in pairs. Well, unless you lose one like I do all the time. A baby's bib? Another t-shirt, a bigger one this time, with a heart on it. Let's do our laundry spray to freshen up our clothes. And let's not forget the washing machine. A very happy washing machine with a smiley face and buttons, of course. Let's put some eyelashes on it too. Laundry basket with the nice, neat, clean, folded towels on it. Perfect! Okay, ready to paint. Going for a nice silvery white for our pegs. A red t-shirt, painting around our star super carefully. A yellow star. That looks cool, don't you think? You can do all your pegs in one go if you want to just keep the same colour on your brush. And then you can just rinse it in some water to clean that colour off and put the next colour on. Unless you have lots of brushes to spare, that is. Or if you decide to use pens, that's even easier. We've got yellow and blue socks. A green bib. What colour shall we do the star? Gold. Fantastic idea. Purple frills. Lovely. Finishing our pegs and a yellow t-shirt. A pink heart. What a lovely idea. Right, time to paint some yellow little bits on the spray bottle and a pink top. And how about some purple? Lovely. Green in the middle. And a blue top to our washing machine. You really can use any colours you like. Make it as bright as you can if you like bright colours. But if you prefer more neutral colours, then just stick to those. Let's go for some green and yellow. I like that. Yellow and blue looks good, don't you think? Excellent. Let's do the inside too. Done! Okay, going for a peachy mouth. Time to do the feet. Let's do those purple. Some green towels, and how about gold in between? Lovely! Purple rim to our basket, blue stripes, and the rest can be pink. And there you have it. Perfect! Washing machine and friends. Hey kids, how about today we draw and paint paintbrushes? Ironic, isn't it? We're painting paintbrushes. Start with the tip and then we do the handle. It's going to be thin at the ends and fat in the middle, kind of a two-tone split in half. And each paintbrush tip can be a different shape. So we've got a thin tip on the first one, and then we've got a nice wide paintbrush in the middle, and another even thinner tip for the third one. Nice thick handles so we can grip them. Let's do one more, even thinner, taller paintbrush. So all in all, we've got 4 paintbrushes. You can do as many as you like, or even put them close together in a pot. Use your imagination. We're just keeping them separate for now. Orange paint on the first. Let's go for dark green for the second one. And red paint on the third. What colour should the fourth one be? How about blue? Excellent. We've been dipping those paintbrushes in paint, you know. Right, go for the handles. Let's do two-tone. So on the top part, we'll do a kind of goldy yellow colour, like a pale wood. Let's do them all the same. If you wanted, you could match the handle colour to the paint. Or just do them black, dark brown. What do you prefer? We're making it a little bit interesting here. So the bottom half of the handle can be... How about a dark brown? Brilliant. Well, it's kind of like chocolate. Excellent. So if you want some ideas of different paintbrushes that you could draw, why not look in your art supply? I'm sure that you could copy or even trace around some of your paintbrushes. Do you know how old the paintbrush is? When was it first invented? Any idea? Well, at least 6,000 years ago. That is pretty old. The Egyptians used these things for drawing, painting, decorating their palaces, temples and tombs. Let's put a bit of shine on each one using a pale yellow colour. Lovely. It's a good trick, that. Makes it look like the light's shining on it. A bit of white on the dark brown. And we're pretty much done.